Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you fine. So today we are going to discuss about the fourth chapter, that is my family and me. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the meaning of family and the types of family. First we will see here one warm up exercise, that is what they have given means you have to write the names of your family members here below. So first what you have to write means here mother. So in front of that you have to write your mother name. After that father. Here you have to write your father name, brother, sister, grandparents names. You have to mention all the things. If you have cousins, sisters, brothers, then also you have to write here, and in front of that you have to write their names. Okay. So this is the warm up exercise. So now we will see the chapter, that is they have given one example, that is Rohan's family. This is very interesting story. Rohan's family. Here Rohan's father name is Anand, mother name is Sanya, and uncle name. Here uncle means father's brother. The uncle name is sorry. So they have given example of Rohan's family. In that his father name is Anand, mother name is Sanya, and he also have grandparents, and the grandmother name is Sujata, and grandfather name is Haridev. Dev is nothing but their surname. Father name Anand, mother name is Sanya, grandmother name is Sujata, grandfather name is Haridev. And Rohan has uncle and auntie, that is father's sister and father's brother. That is father's brother name is Raj. Father's brother name is Raj, and his wife name is Deepa. Is it? And he has father's brother, the name is Raj, and his wife name is Tara. And these two couples have two children named as Tina and Tania. And also Rohan has one more aunt, that is father's sister. Father's sister, her name is Deepa. So this is the introduction of Rohan's family, that is father name Anand, mother name is Sanya, grandmother name is Sujata, grandfather name is Haridev, father's brother name Raj and his wife name is Tara. These two couple have Tina and Tania. Here the uncle Raj, he is a artist. He is a artist, and the aunt, that is Tara, she is a doctor. So this is the introduction of Rohan's family, and this family which live in Nagpur, which is the place, that is Nagpur. So now they have given one situation, that is they are going to celebrate his grandfather Haridev's birthday. Grandfather name is Haridev. Now they are going to celebrate the grandparents, that is grandfather Haridev's birthday. So these all family members are gathered at the Nagpur home to celebrate grandfather's birthday. Here in this function, everyone is having a lots of fun. Obviously, if you attend your friend's birthday, you also enjoyed a lot. So like that only in this family they enjoyed that day. The grandfather's birthday, they enjoy a lot and make fun. Okay, so this is the introduction of Rohan's family and why they gathered at Nagpur. They gathered all these family at Nagpur because here there is a celebration of his grandfather's birthday. Okay, so this is about first part of this chapter. So next part, that is kinds of family. Kinds of family. See, in family, each and every members of that family has to take care of each others. They love and support each others. Here in family we can see two kinds of families, that is nuclear family and joint family. First one is the nuclear family. So in the page number 177 they have explained about the kinds of families, that is nuclear family and another one is the joint family. Now see, what is nuclear family? Nuclear family is nothing but, here in this nuclear family only parents and their children live together. So in this nuclear family only parents and their children. Here we can write In a nuclear family, only the parents and their children. The parents means mother and father. And their children live together. So this is nothing but nuclear family. Nuclear family is nothing but, in this family only the parents and their children live together. Then what is joint family? Joint family is nothing but, in this family our parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins, so many members are present in joint family. Joint family is nothing but, it is the family in which a lots of family members live together, like parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, cousins, uncle, aunt. So these all together we call it as the joint family. Okay, so what is joint family? In a joint family, the parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins live together. So in joint family, the parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins, brother, sisters, these all family members live together, and that family we call it as the joint family. So you just question yourself, your family is nuclear family or joint family? If you are staying with your parents, if you are staying with only your parents and your siblings, that is nuclear family. And if you are staying with your grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, cousin, brother, sisters, then you are in a joint family. So this is the difference between nuclear family and joint family. Okay, so now we will see what is this uncle, aunt, cousins. Okay, so grandparents. So now we will see what is grandparents, uncle, aunt, to whom we call as a grandparents or as a uncle, aunt. So we will see. So hope you understand the difference between nuclear family and joint family. Now we will see what is, to whom we are going to call grandmother, grandfather. First we will see grandmother. To whom you call as a grandmother? So grandmother is nothing but mother's mother or father's mother. We call grandmother to mother's mother or father's mother. Mother's mother or father's mother. So for these two members we can call as a grandmother. Grandmother is nothing but it is your mother's mother or your father's mother. We call these two members as a grandmother. Okay. Then what is grandfather? To whom we can call as a grandfather. Grandfather is nothing but it is the mother's father, or you can say father's father. Grandfather is nothing but it is the your mother's father or your father's father. Okay. Grandfather is nothing but your mother's father or your father's mother. Next we will see that is uncle, to whom we can call as a uncle. Mother's brother or father's brother. We have to call uncle to your mother's brother, or you can call uncle to your father's brother. Mother's brother or father's brother. To whom you have to call uncle? Your mother's brother or your father's brother. We have to call as a uncle. Next, that is fourth members, aunt. To whom you have to call aunt? Aunt is nothing but it is the your mother's sister or your father's sister. Your mother's sister or your father's sister. Okay. Grandfather is nothing but it is your mother's father or your father's mother. For them we can call as a grandmother. Then what is grandfather? Grandfather is nothing but it is the mother's father or father's father. Grandfather is nothing but it is the mother's father or yours father's father. Next, that is uncle. Uncle is nothing but your mother's brother. Remember, listen carefully. Your mother's brother or father's brother, that we call it as the uncle. Then what is aunt? Aunt is nothing but it is the mother's sister or mother's sisters or father's sister. So this is the for that we can call it as aunt. So next thing, that is cousins. Cousins means what? The children of your uncle and aunt. Children of uncle and aunt, those we call it as the cousins. Fifth one, that is cousins. Children of what? Children of uncle and aunt. So for them we can call as a cousins, or you can say cousin brother, cousin sister. Okay, so this is about family, me and my family. So what you learned in this chapter? We learned in this chapter how family is, what is family, what is family? Family is nothing but the parents, children which live together. and each and every family members, they take care of each other, they love and support each other. That we call it as the family. Here in this chapter they have given one example, that is Rohan's family. So in that Rohan live with their parents, grandparents, cousins and cousin brother, cousin sister. What is the Rohan's father name? Rohan's father name is Anand, mother name is Sanya, grandmother name is Sujata, grandfather name is Haridev. And what is Rohan's father's sister name? That is Deepa, and Deepa is his aunt. After that, the father's brother, the Rohan's father's brother, that is Raj, and his wife is Tara. Raj is a painter, or can say artist, and his wife, that is Tara, she is a doctor. And these two couples have two children, that is Tania and Tina. So these Tania and Tina are the cousin brother and sisters. Next, after that we have seen that kinds of families. In these two kinds of family are there. First one is the nuclear family, second one is the joint family. Nuclear family is nothing but, in this family only parents and children which live together, and joint family is nothing but parents, grandparents, children, cousins, uncle, aunt. So this is the difference between nuclear family and joint family. So after that we have seen to whom you have to call as grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousins. So grandmother is nothing but mother's mother or father's mother. Grandfather is nothing but mother's father, father's father. Uncle is nothing but mother's brother, father's brother. Aunt is nothing but mother's sister or father's sister. Cousins are nothing but children of uncle and aunt. Those we call it as the cousins. So this is the completion of your fourth chapter, that is my family and me. Okay. So after completion of this chapter, once you go through this chapter, see this video once, twice, then also you have any confusion regarding this chapter, you just contact me, I will solve your problem. See, just concentrate on these kinds of family and to whom you have to call as a grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins. Just see this once again, and we will see in the next class with a new chapter. Till that, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.